In this video, we will demonstrate how to disassemble and assemble Dixon's SPR series pressure relief valve. The pressure relief valve comes fully assembled. Rotate the adjustable cap counterclockwise to unthread it from the adapter. Loosen the wing nut and remove the clamp. Remove the adapter from the body assembly. This will remove the top cap, spring, and washer. Next, remove the stem from the body. This will remove the stem holder and stem O-ring. Remove the body gasket, slide the stem holder off the stem, and remove the O-ring. Using an O-ring pick, hook the seat seal and remove it from the stem. Note, the seat seal must be replaced after removal from the stem. You will need the following components to assemble the Dixon SPR series pressure relief valve. A comprehensive list can be found in the Dixon SPR series engineered product reference guide. To begin assembly on the pressure relief valve, lubricate the stem seal O-ring. Insert the O-ring into the stem by pressing one edge of the elastomer into the stem groove. Press the O-ring around into the groove, making sure not to roll the seat seal. Insert the assembled stem into the valve body with the seal pointing into the body. Place the body gasket into the top valve body opening. Slide the stem holder onto the stem with the flange on top. Lubricate the stem O-ring. Slide the stem O-ring onto the stem and push the seal into the stem holder groove. Next, apply food-grade anti-seize to the adapter threads. Using the lock nut, evenly distribute the anti-seize and wipe any excess with a clean towel. Place the adapter onto the stem and body assembly. Place the washer in through the adapter onto the stem. Place the spring onto the washer in the valve assembly. Place the stem of the top cap into the spring. Secure the valve assembly with the squeeze clamp. Using the torque wrench and the Dixon wing nut tool, secure the wing nut on the clamp to 25 inch-pounds. Thread the adjustable cap onto the adapter clockwise. Check to ensure the top cap is centered on the opening on the adjustable cap. Secure until the tops of both are flush on the adjustable cap and the adapter. This completes the assembly of the SPR series pressure relief valve. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at dixonvalve.com. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.